Okay, so today I'm going to be solving a Kattis problem called Simon Says, which is a really easy one, pretty straightforward, pretty quick to solve, but at least it's more than a step, so I thought it would be a good one to start my channel off with. So yeah, this is just the Simon Says game that everybody knows from childhood. And the input and output is basically going to be they're going to give us the integer that represents the total number of cases, the total number of commands. And for the output, basically, we're going to go through each command. If it starts with Simon Says, then we print everything after Simon Says, including the space, it looks like. And if it doesn't say Simon Says, then we just ignore that line and do nothing. And the information that we're given is going to be between 1 and 1,000 commands or lines. And each line is going to contain at most 100 characters and then just, yeah, very standard formatting. So we don't have to deal with any kind of formatting differences or anything like that. So as you can see, I've already set up the import statement, the class declaration, the main method, and the scanner object to handle the input. And then for all of these problems where they include the count at the top, I always just make an integer called count. And for a problem like this, its only use is really to do a for loop, but I might as well use it because they gave it to us. Um, and I usually like to make one string object that I'm going to use for because I feel like it's inefficient if I make a new string for each iteration of the loop. And since I'm going to be using scan.nextLine, I should also eat up the end of this first line with the integer, or I'm going to get an error. Not like I haven't made that mistake before. So, so yeah, for each line, what we're going to do is um, the string is going to become scan.nextLine. And then we need to check if it starts with Simon Says exactly. And it's good that we don't have to worry about any formatting issues. It's always going to be exactly like that. Um, and obviously, I'm not going to make an else statement because we're not doing anything at all if it doesn't start with Simon Says. And I feel like there might be some kind of trick that I'm missing, but I don't know it. Like if there's a way to say find, yeah, whatever happens after this string, then print that out. I don't really know how to do that, so I'm just going to make a substring using oops, the numbers. Like I'm just going to count the numbers. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the space is included in the output, like I said. So we're going to start at 10. And if there's only one argument for the substring method, then that means it's the beginning of the substring. So it should go to the end. And I feel like this should work. But I do always end up with errors on my first try. So, oh, and it actually worked. So this was a success. I am looking forward to making some more videos in the future, and thank you for watching.